Namaskar. Shri P.V.K. Kannan, President of Pondicherry HR Circle, and Shri Shekhar, Vice President of Pondicherry HR Circle. My best wishes for conducting this annual meet for Pondicherry HR people and the entire HR group. This initiative by Mrs. Begum Nisha, your member of the Pondicherry HR Circle, who is also working with the Mahatma Gandhi Medical College. She has initiated this. She is a part of, I believe she is a part of safety committee for handling this entire function of the HR group, and she has approached us in terms of what safety measures to be taken while carrying out this function. So here I am, Dr. Swati Pawar, Deputy Medical Superintendent of Mahatma Gandhi Medical College and Research Institute. I'll just tell you some brief instructions which are based on the Government of India guidelines. And while holding such functions, Nisha has informed me that there will be at least 50 to 75 members attending this function, which is supposedly going to take place in a large hall, I believe. So first and foremost thing, let us start with the entry of the people. At the entry point, Mahatma Gandhi Medical College, I wish to offer our services for scanning with the thermal scanner. That is a non-touch technique of recording the temperature for each and every guest who will be entering the premise at the entrance itself. There will be, there should be actually a hand washing area wherein the guests will wash their hands completely and then enter the hall, the function hall, and we will be keeping hand sanitizers at every level in near distance, and for sanitizing the hands very frequently. And from your side you will have to ensure that all the members who are attending should wear masks, and then only come to the function. And the seating arrangement should be at least 1 meter apart from each other, so that they are not very cramped and clubbed together. Then regarding, I believe the function will last for 1.5 or 2 hours at least, and you people will be definitely maybe wanting or wishing to serve some refreshments and food items and some buffet and all there. But actually that should not be necessary, and I'm sure all the people will understand. And food, if you want to serve, you can serve in packed containers, which can be take away at the end of the program. You can hand over, people can take away the containers and eat in their houses. And regarding the tea, coffee and all, actually what happens is most of the patients who are getting these who are getting infected are due to the close vicinity of people who are asymptomatic. And while drinking and tea, coffee or eating, we have to definitely remove the mask and then consume the food or drinks. So that is not warranted. That is when the maximum aerosol generation happens. So that has to be avoided. So tea, coffee, you can spend on a good food takeaway, some enrich it with other sweets and other things, and like that. So please avoid tea, coffee and water drinking, serving at the venue. Then the toilet facility should be available nearby to ensure we have to ensure frequent cleaning of the toilets as and when it is used, disinfection from the inside as well as outside also, including the door knobs, which I'm sure the venue wherever you will be having, those people will be taking care of, but we have to ensure that it is done. The buttons of the lights, the door knobs, the flush handles, etc. Then since this is an HR related functions, awards and gifts and mementos will definitely be there, certificates will be there. So even at the registration counters, whoever is presenting these bouquets, awards or certificates need to wear some plastic gloves. So that has to be ensured. And our computer and audio visual operators should also be wearing masks and gloves at all times. So I believe prevention is the key to holding or controlling the spread of COVID-19 infection. and I wish you, the Pondicherry HR Circle, all the best for this program. Namaskar. Thank you.